everyone, I'm Sahana from Interazzo. Today we are at Prestige Tranquil to showcase our recent 3 BHK interiors which belongs to Mr. Ram Reddy, Shweta, Aniksha and Shreya. As a core material, we have used green panel ply which comes with 25 years of warranty on boiling waterproof and 7 years of warranty on moisture resistant. We used a neutral color palette and incorporated contemporary touches into the design, and it turned out exactly the way our clients envisioned. We designed a sleek entertainment unit for 11 feet, and here we have used a ready-made fluted panel, and we have given a projected laminated paneling with the cove lighting with the champagne T profile. Below for the base storage we have provided set of drawers, and below we have provided profile lighting. And for the more storage and display we have given a halfway rail door profile tall unit, and inside we have provided inner shelf and the profile lighting. Designed a puja unit with halfway rail door profile and the clear glass, and inside we have given cove lighting, and below we have added a base unit storage. As a soft backdrop, we have given a wall trims for the wall decor across the living and the dining area, and an opening for the bedroom spaces in the living and the dining area. So we try to create a seamless look for this entire space. So we added a MDF with Decor paint door, and we have continued the wall trims decor on top of it. There is a main circuit board here, so clients wanted to hide that, so we have given a ready-made panel, and in order to conceal that we have given a push to open shutter, and we have uniquely treated the beam with the same wall decor. We did a flat false ceiling with the magnetic profile light and the COB lights, and there is a drop between living and the dining to resist the cassette AC. For the dining area, we have provided veneer island ceiling with the cove lighting and peripheral design with the COB lights, and we have also provided pelmet for the curtains. In the dining area, we designed a simple crockery with a laminate finish with set of drawers and the shutters below, and we have added a quartz countertop. For the wall dado, we have provided beveled mirrors, and we have also added a wine glass holders. For the wall unit, we have given rose gold profile with the fluted glass with the HKS lift ups, and inside we have given a wooden laminate and the profile lighting. For the tall unit, we have given rose gold frame with the fluted glass shutters with push to open mechanism. Inside we have given inner shelf with the profile lighting. For the entrance of the kitchen, we have given natural teak veneer paneling with the spot lighting, and here we have used Euro componenti Glaks finish for the kitchen, for the base unit, wall unit and the loft. For the countertop and the wall dado, we have used Vanilla Noir Caesar stone quartz slab, and the base unit is consisting of 5 Blum tandem drawers with 2 bottle pullouts. For the wall unit, we have provided L corner open box unit, and here we have given lift ups which is Aventos HF, which means high fold mechanism. Inside we have given inner shelf and the spot lighting. Hob and the chimney are from Hackley. Here we have provided inbuilt dishwasher with edge profile handle. And we have introduced Futura Quartz sink. And below we have provided RO unit. Above the sink we have provided storage for the cleaning essentials with the inner shelf. Here we have designed a tall unit with inbuilt appliances, microwave, oven and the wicker basket. Above we have provided push to open shutter with Blum unsprung hinges. And we have also designed L-shaped loft. Here also we have given a flat fall ceiling with profile lighting and COB lights. We designed a beautiful and spacious master bedroom with neutral shades and contrast theme. Here we have used beige, gold, glass and mirror, and we have designed a king size cot with Ebco Hydraulic storage, and where we have provided the mechanism which is smooth and soundless, and we have provided a tufted headboard, and we have given a fabric padding to all the sides of the cot. and below we have provided profile lighting. As a wall decor, we have used rope ripple paneling and we have added gold T profile on top of it. And here we have designed a beautiful Aristo Sliding Wardrobe from floor to ceiling, and inside we have provided hanger space and set of drawers, and above we have provided internal loft and there is a profile lighting. We designed a bay window seating with the paneling and the cushioning. Below we have provided set of drawers with the gola profile, and we have provided an aluminium frame with tinted glass shutter, and inside we have provided profile lighting and the external wooden laminate with the inner shelves. Above we have provided extended loft. We had enough storage, so we have designed a dresser with good amount of storage. Below we have provided laminated drawers and above we have provided LED mirror. We designed a camouflage door for the entry of the washroom with the ready-made panels. We did a POP flat fall ceiling with the profile lighting and the COB lights, and we have also given a provision for the hanging lights. We designed a thematic kids bedroom. Here we have provided a queen size cot with the storage with Ebco Hydraulic mechanism, and we have provided a tufted headboard, and we added one side table with set of drawers. For the wall decor, we have given a tufted linear headboard till the ceiling, and we have continued the ready-made panel to the entire wall. We designed a window seating with the storage. To the other side, we have given a study unit with the drawers below, and for the wall we have added a white marker board with lacquered glass finish. For the wall storage, we have provided open box unit with the profile lighting, and we have also added push to open aluminium frame tinted glass shutter with Blum unsprung hinges. We designed a base unit storage with the open box and the bottom opening drawer. For the wall decor, we have again treated it with the same ready-made panel. And next to that, we designed a full length LED mirror which comes with cool white and warm light. We designed a 8 feet wardrobe with tinted glass shutters, and here we have given half-lay rail door profile. We have given hanger space, and below we have provided set of drawers, and above there is an internal loft. To the other side, we have given a shutter with half-lay rail door profile. Inside we have given inner shelf and the profile lighting. We did a flat fall ceiling with the profile lighting and COB lights, and we have given provision for the drop lights, and we have given a cutout for the sprinkler. We designed a guest bedroom with the grey theme. Here we have given queen size cot with the storage, and we have provided tufted headboard. For the wall paneling, we have provided laminate panel with cushioning with the golden T profile. On either side, we have given ready-made paneling, and we designed one side table with laminate finish with set of drawers. To the other side, we have given study unit with set of drawers. Above for the wall unit, we have provided openable shutters, and we have also provided open box unit with spot lighting. For the wall decor, we have given MDF with Decor. We designed a full length lacquered glass Aristo wardrobe, and inside we have provided hanger space, internal loft, and below we have provided set of drawers. And we have also provided full length LED mirror. We converted a servant's room into a small study area. Here we have given a base unit storage with the cushioning with the shutters, and above we have provided open box storage with the spot lighting. To the other side, we have given study table with the Ebco foldable mechanism. For the wall unit, we have given Blum Aventos HKS lift up. Above we have provided push to open shutters. In the balcony, we have given a PVC fall ceiling with the COB lights. So now we have a customer with us, Mr. Ram Reddy sir. We want to know about your experience with Interazzo.
I think my experience has been really great. I know right from design to execution to handover, it has been a great experience. So definitely I know the quality has been good and the design and the execution has been good. And I would like to thank Himanshu, who has been there right from day one till execution. I would like to call upon our designer Ramesh, who has done a great work. I know every time anybody comes to visit our home, they say like, yeah, the design part has been really great. So I'm really happy with the way the output has come, and I'm thankful for all the, you name it, plumbers, electricians, or I don't want to take names or miss out on people, but I definitely want to thank everybody from Interazzo team for all the great work they've done.
Thank you so much, sir. Means a lot to us.